Let me guess. 2026 is the year you finally scale. Just like 2025 was, and 2024. Here's why this year is going to be different. Look, you're a great coach, but you're running a hustle, not a real business. And hope isn't a strategy to get to 200K. Does this number look painfully familiar? It's a brutal plateau where so many talented coaches just get stuck. The thing is, the problem isn't your skill. It's the massive gap your certification left in your business training. The coaches who actually break through, they don't just work harder, they build to scale, not just to survive. Right, there's a huge difference between knowing what to do and actually doing it. That's the trap. What's really stopping you? It's the fear, the doubt, all the stuff that pops up when you actually try to execute. So you don't need another course or more information. You need a completely new operating system for your brain. We call it the commander mindset. It's about shifting from hustler to operator, building with precision and leading with systems. And this isn't just more theory. Business Barracks is designed to completely rebuild your practice into a scalable machine. The method gives you a clear path, foundation, then implementation, and finally, how to scale and sustain. It's a roadmap. You'll go from chasing clients to having a steady flow, from feeling alone to finally being held accountable for real growth. And the proof is in the results. A 4.9-star rating from over 3,000 clients who've made this exact shift. Because here, profit isn't some vague goal. It's a graduation requirement. Accountability is everything. So you have to ask yourself, are you building a stressful job for yourself or a real business that's built to last?